Kidzlim! Plus Muslims, big faith.
Start by making niyyah, niyyah, niyyah. Start by making niyyah to perform wudu. Then recite Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Then recite Bismillah to begin wudu. Wash your hands up to the wrist, up to the wrist, up to the wrist. Wash your hands up to the wrist and repeat this 3 times. Rinse the mouth 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. Rinse the mouth 3 times and rub the teeth with miswak. Sneak the water into the nostrils, into the nostrils, into the nostrils. Blow the water out of the nostrils. Repeat this 3 times. Wash the face thoroughly, thoroughly, thoroughly. Wash the face thoroughly. Repeat this 3 times. Wash the right arm up to the elbow, up to the elbow, up to the elbow. Wash the left arm up to the elbow. Repeat this 3 times. Pass the wet hands over the head, over the head, over the head. Pass the wet hands over the head and clean ears with fingers. Wash the feet up to the ankles, up to the ankles, up to the ankles. Wash the feet up to the ankles. Repeat this 3 times. After wudu, say shahada, say shahada, say shahada. After wudu, say shahada and then perform salah.
Allahu Akbar. Be in good books. And do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe.